Hello everybody, here's my latest panel, a pelican eating sardines in his huge bill. And the inspiration for this comes from a book given to me by Brian Sibley in 1989, which is 36 years ago, can you believe it? And Brian's written loads of books, but this is my favourite, and for the last 36 years I've cherished this book, and it's been a source of great inspiration to me. Not least was John Gilroy's Zoo. And we all remember the toucan, and if a Guinness is good for you, just think what toucan do. It became a massive slogan, and people remember the toucan more than the other animals in the Guinness Zoo. There were loads of animals in the Guinness Zoo, and Gilroy drew them all from life from the zoo in Regent's Park, London's Regent's Park. He's an amazing artist. All through the 30s and the 40s, the Second World War, he was drawing for Guinness. Very imaginative, very witty, and certainly one of my favourite artists. Check him out. This is one of my favourites, which is the Pelican with the bottles of Guinness. He's stolen everybody's Guinness and he's walking off with them. Great witty poster there by Gilroy. And I've decided to steal it, really. I can't say anything else. But I've substituted the Guinness bottles for sardines. And the reason I've done that is reflected in this accompanying verse. This pelican is in the Guinness Who's Who as part of John Gilroy's magical zoo. And when he's drunk all those bottles of Guinness, Pelly likes to have sardines to finish.